Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Mamee Bay and we're giving you an update on the Roaring River development. Now this development is going to increase in value a lot because there is now going to be an interchange built by Mamee Bay and two major highways are going to intersect at Mamee Bay. So when it comes on to real estate, it's all about location. And before this was announced, Mamee Bay was a very busy place. It is where the highway that takes you from Kingston, which is the capital of Jamaica with the largest population, takes you to the north coast. It ends at a roundabout in Mamee Bay. But the government recently announced that they're going to be taking out the roundabout and putting in an interchange, because the highway is going to be extended in two directions. It's going to be extended from Mamee Bay to Discovery Bay and from Mamee Bay to St. Mary, which means the highway is now going to pass through areas like from Mamee Bay, Draxall, St. Anne's Bay, Runaway Bay, Discovery Bay. It's going to also pass through Richmond. And it's also going to pass through Ocho Rios on the other side. So you can get to Mamee Bay on a highway from all three major airports in Jamaica. The Ian Fleming International Airport in St. Mary, you can get on a highway and get to Mamee Bay. From Kingston, that highway is already built, you can get to Mamee Bay. And from Montego Bay, you can get on the Northern Coastal Highway and get to Mamee Bay, and you can also take the Discovery Bay Highway to Mamee Bay. So these developments have significantly increased the value of this development. And ironically, this development was used to build, it was given to China Harbour Engineering Company. This exact land that we're looking at was part of the 1,200 acres that was given to China Harbour Engineering Company to bring them to Jamaica to build the North-South Highway. And although it hasn't been officially announced who the contractor is, we all know it's going to be China Harbour Engineering Company to extend the highway. And it's so ironic that as the highway is going to be extended in two directions, they have actually started building on this development. Now, before the announcement of the extension of the highway in both directions, this development would have been sold out probably within a few hours of going on the market. They're probably sold out already. And now with these major developments of being able to get to Mamee Bay from any international airport in Jamaica, and this is the only area in Jamaica you can get to from three international airports on a highway, it's going to sell out even faster. So I don't think they've put them out. Well, I haven't heard of them going on the market yet, but I'm sure they'll be sold out within hours of going on the market. This development is probably going to be sold out faster than any other in Jamaica. So guys, let me know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. And it's a residential development. They're going to be putting up apartments, studios, villas. I think it's something like between 400 and 500. Some high story, well, not high story, I think some towers with these apartments. We'll give you more information on the development in another video. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.